Hello, I'm Dixon Potts and welcome to my Solubility product lab. Got my materials on my left and right, so let's get right into it. Now first, earlier today when I was doing a lab, I was rinsing out my flask and it slipped out of my hand and broke. So instead of a flask, we're gonna measure the weight in grams of this. And this says it's 11.46. Next, I need to measure 3 milliliters of lime water. Pour it in to this, which measures at 28.5. After that, I need to add 5 drops of methyl orange. Now I'm going to slowly drop hydrochloric acid into the flask. Now that I have my color change, I need to constantly be swirling while I drop, and it turns red. Now that I've gotten pictures of the color change and put my data into table 1 and done all my calculations, put it all in, I need to empty this, rinse it out, and I'm going to do it all again for the second and third sample. That'll all be in the data table before then, and then the next thing you're going to see is the start of activity number 2. All right, for the beginning of part 2, or activity 2, it's saying to tear the balance and then add. It's telling me to take off the lid of this, and you can't. So I'm going to tear the balance of this, and then I add 0.02 grams of calcium chloride. Now that I've added it, I let it sit for 10 minutes. Now that it's sat for 10 minutes, I have it in here, 3 milliliters poured in. And I have my mess. Now that I have my solution weighed and entered into the data table, add 5 drops of methyl orange. And I fill this syringe with hydrochloric acid. Now I slowly insert the hydrochloric acid into my solution and wait for color change. As I'm dropping it, the solution is becoming more clear and has changed to a very light orange. And I'm gonna call that my color change. And now, when this is swirling, I need to drop until one drop. Now that I have used this, pour it out. I need to rinse it. Dry it. And I will reuse that because now it's clean. But yeah, I need to do that 2 more times for samples 2 and 3. Insert all my data and calculations into data table 2, and that's the solubility lab. Thank you for watching. I hope that was good. And yeah, thank you.